What's wrong?
That answer you just said.
Eat your dinner, please, honey.
Eat your dinner.
In the game it was.
Can you eat?
It's R. It's a kindergarten word.
What's a kindergarten word?
It's R. That's a bonus word.
Oh, R. A-R-E. What kind of sound does a piggy make? Huh? What?
It was a rodeo.
Okay, do it now. Okay, eat some more noodles, little piggy. Good job, piggy. Eat some more noodles. That's crazy. You're crazy, man. So what's a piggy sound like? I hear Piggy Pig talking in the background. Eat your noodles, little piggy.
You're gonna make him choke.
He's doing a good job.
He's doing a good job. He's a good piggy.
A good piggy. What a good piggy. Eat, little piggy, eat. Hey, little piggy, eat your food. Eat your food, little piggy. Eat your food. I can't believe you ate that whole bowl. Eat some more, little piggy. Eat, little piggy, eat. Eat your noodles, piggy. What's the kid's name on Christmas Story?
Randy.
Randy, that's right. Ralphie, but that's the other one. What do you think your dad's gonna say when he sees this? That don't sound like a piggy. That sounds like a rhinoceros or something. You a rhinoceros?
Does the piggy have a loose tooth?
Did your loose tooth fall out yet? How loose is it? It's pretty loose. It's gonna fall out one of these days. Really? Nothing like root beer and ramen noodles. You want me to make you another bowl? Again? Good piggy.